My dear beloved viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to give the complete solutions for the chapter Integration Telugu Academy, exercise 6C, Roman number 3. Evaluate the following integrals. Evaluate the following integrals. Roman number 3, question number 1. Integral x tan inverse x. Integral x tan inverse x. You see, in this integral, the integrand consists of two different functions. Product of two different functions. First one is algebra, second one is inverse trigonometric functions. So to choose the first function according as the order of the letters, I late. In this one, inverse trigonometric function, I stands first. Okay, I comes first. I stands for inverse trigonometric function. That comes first. After that, algebra. Okay, so let us start the solution. Let I is equal integral x tan inverse x tan inverse x. Again, you have to rewrite the first function as tan inverse x into x dx. Tan inverse x into x dx. So here f of x is equal tan inverse x. F of x is equal tan inverse x. So for the first function, always you should differentiate. For the first function, always you should find derivative. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, g of x is equal to x. For the second function, always you should find integral value. Always you should find integral value of second function. Here the second function is x. So integral of x dx. For integral of x is x square by 2. Okay. Now what is the by parts formula? Integral f of x g of x dx is equal first function f of x into second function g of x dx. Okay, minus first function derivative into integral of second function. Okay, this is the formula for by parts, integration by parts, product of two functions. Okay. So integral of f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x into integral of g of x dx minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function whole dx. Okay. Now here I is equal, substitute in this one. Here formula is f of x first. F of x means tan inverse x. Integral value x square by 2. Again derivative value 1 by 1 plus x square. Again integral value x square by 2 with respect to x. Okay. Now here x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2. If you observe here, x square by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, so with the help of denominator, if you observe the denominator, 1 plus x square is there, 1 plus x square, whereas in numerator x square is there. So what we have to do? You have to add 1 and subtract. 1 add and subtract, because denominator consists of 1 plus x square, in numerator only x square is there. So what you have to do? Simply add and subtract by 1. Okay, so or else you should divide. You can divide also, no problem. Here if you divide here, x square plus 1, x square, here 1, so x square plus 1. Now subtract, what will get? Minus 1. So this will gives us x square by x square plus 1 gives us 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. No problem. Whenever improper fraction means degree of numerator greater than or equal to degree of denominator. Whenever improper fraction is there, just you have to convert into proper fraction. So by dividing this one, okay. So if you have no idea what we have to do, adding and subtract, just better to go this division method. Okay. If you know it, we can do it, no problem. 1 plus x square minus 1. Okay. Or else directly you have to do this like this. Okay. So here x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into here 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral for 1 is x and this one is tan inverse x. Okay. So finally x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into, for 1, integral 1 is x minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Okay. This is the solution for this integral of x tan inverse x. This is exercise 6C integration chapter, Telugu Academy textbook. Okay. So Roman number 3, first question. Okay. Next. Here the second question is x square tan inverse x. The second question is same one. Here the second one is x square tan inverse x. Same. X square tan inverse x. That means tan inverse x into x square. So same. First function is here also same one. So second function in place of x, x square. So x square derivative x cube by 3. X square derivative x cube by 3. Sorry. Integral of x square is x cube by 3. X cube by 3. Okay. For the second function integral. So integral of x square dx is equal to x cube by 3. Okay. Next. Here is the formula for integration. Okay. Now here I is equal to f of x tan inverse x and integral of second function here x cube by 3. Here also same thing, only we have to change here only. Okay. X cube by 3. X cube by 3. So what you have to do? X cube by 3. Okay. Here also x cube by 3. So same thing you have to divide it. Okay. Same. Whenever improper is there means just you should use division. Okay. By division we have to obtain. Okay. Here x square is there degree. We have to obtain. We have to continue the process up to less than this degree. Okay. That means we have to obtain x term or constant term, no problem. So that means here x square is there. To obtain x cube means just you should multiply with x. X into x square, x cube plus x into 1 x. So minus minus get cancelled. So minus x is there. So x cube by 1 plus x square gives us x minus x by 1 plus x square. So this is the obtained one. Okay. Now just you have to simplify this one. Here 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So here also same x cube by 3. Here also x cube by 3. Every time you have to change x cube by 3. Here also same thing, x cube by 3. Next here also same thing, same problem, 1 by 3. Here division is x, x, here also x. So if you observe here, x okay, x square by 2. What out here? If it is other form f dash x by f of x. This derivative is x square, derivative 2x. So here only x is there. What you have to do? Simply multiply and divide by 2. Okay. So one more step is required here. So I have to here integral. I have to separate this one 1 by 3 into integral x dx minus minus plus. So 1 by 3 into here 2 is required. 2 is required because derivative of this one is 2x. So here x you can write 2x. 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square. Clearly this is a f dash x by f of x is equal to log f of x. Okay. So only similar one for the previous one, x into tan inverse x, but here x square into tan inverse x. So just you have to do the similar way. Okay, no change in this one. So after concluding this one, here x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 into integral of x is x square by 2. Next plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square. Since here we have to use this formula, integral of f of x, f dash x by f of x dx is equal log f of x. Okay, here is the formula. Okay, so according to that formula, result is half log. Okay, so here why you have to obtain half means here only x term is there, but derivative is 2x. That's why you have to multiply and divide with 2. Okay, so finally here half log of 1 plus x square. Here I have to write. Okay, so finally here is the result, x cube by 3 tan inverse x minus x square, sorry, here next x square by 6. Okay, x square by 6. Okay, 3 into 2 6. Next here also same, 1 by 6 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, this is the solution for the second problem. Here one thing you should remember, whenever you have to evaluate any product of two functions means, first of all you should keenly observe what is going on and which formula is to be used. For that one, what we have to proceed. So here inverse function and algebraic function is there. So according to the order of the letters of the word, highlight, choose first function as inverse, second function as algebra. Okay. Here is the result x square tan inverse x. Next, third one, tan inverse x divided by x square. Tan inverse x divided by x square. In the previous one, x square in tan inverse x. But here, tan inverse x divided by x square. Question number 3. Question number 3. X square, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x divided by x square dx. Tan inverse x divided by x square dx. Okay. The problem is integral of tan inverse x divided by x square. That means here the integrand is tan inverse x divided by x square. Okay, with respect to x. Okay. This you can rewrite the product of two functions, tan inverse x into 1 by x square dx. Okay. Because inverse function considered as first function, algebraic function considered as second function. Now here f of x is equal tan inverse x. F of x is equal tan inverse x. So for the first function always derivative. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now you see the second function is g of x is equal 1 by x square. So for this one, what you have to do? Simply integral. Okay, integral of g of x dx. So 1 by x square dx. Integral of 1 by x square dx means minus 1 by x. 1 by x square integral value minus 1 by x. 1 by x square integral value minus 1 by x. Okay. Now you see what is the formula? Integral of f of x into g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. Totally here with respect to x. Here is the formula. Okay. Therefore, I is equal here f of x g of x. Okay, dx is equal value f of x. F of x means tan inverse x. Here is the formula f of x into integral value. What is the integral value? Minus 1 by x. Minus derivative. What is the derivative value? 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral value minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x. Okay. Dx. Okay. Next. Here minus 1 by x into tan inverse x. Okay. Next. Minus plus integral 1 by x into, okay, x into 1 plus x square. X into 1 plus x square. Okay. So you see here, if we observe the function here, you see 1 is there, but here denominator 1 plus x square is there. That means just adding and subtract. This you can rewrite 1 plus x square minus x square. Okay. So this one I can rewrite. This one I can rewrite plus x square minus x square. Okay. Plus x square minus x square. Here in denominator 1 plus x square is there. In numerator only 1 is there. 1 I can rewrite with the help of this one 1 plus x square plus x square minus x square. Adding and subtract x square. Okay. Now separate these two. What you will get? Minus 1 by x into tan inverse x plus here separate these two 1 plus x square by x into 1 plus x square. Okay. Dx. Next minus integral of x square by x into 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So here 1 plus x square get cancelled. Here x square and x, this square and x get cancelled. So what is the remaining one here? Minus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x tan inverse x minus 1 by x into tan inverse x. Next here remaining integral of 1 by x dx, integral of 1 by x dx minus, you see here derivative of this one is 2x, but only x is there. Here only numerator x, but for the denominator derivative of this one is 2x. So what you have to do, simply multiply and divide by 2. Okay. So clearly this is of the form f dash x by f of x. Integral of f dash x by f of x is equal log f of x. Log f of x. Okay. So this is the formula. Okay. So finally we got minus 1 by x tan inverse x. Next here 1 by x. 1 by x means log of mod x. Log of mod x. Next minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. Okay. So this is the result for this question. Okay. So three are similar one. First one is x into tan inverse x. Second one is x square into tan inverse x. Third one is tan inverse x divided by x square. So these three are similar models, but different methods will be adapted. For the first one directly you have to evaluate. For the second one division. For the third one is it is. Okay. Next one. Fourth one, x cos inverse x. X cos inverse x. X cos inverse x. Fourth one, x cos inverse x dx. X cos inverse x dx. So say let I is equal x cos inverse x dx. Here is the first function is nothing but inverse. So you should write cos inverse x into x dx. Okay. So same here, first function is cos inverse x. So f of x is equal cos inverse x. For the cos inverse x, derivative is for the cos inverse x, f dash x. F dash x is equal minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. For cos inverse x derivative, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Next, g of x. G of x is equal to x. For this one, what you have to do? Simply integral value. So integral of x dx. Integral of x dx is nothing but x square by 2. Okay. Now integral of product of two functions f of x and g of x with respect to x is nothing but first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into integral of second function. Integral of second function. Okay. So therefore I is equal here f of x. F of x is nothing but cos inverse x. Cos inverse x into integral value x square by 2. Okay. Minus derivative of this one minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into x square by 2. Okay. You see here in numerator minus x square is there, here 1 minus x square is there. So x square by 2 cos inverse x minus here minus x square, here 1 by 2. Okay, here 2 is constant, so 1 by 2 by root of 1 minus x square dx. If you keenly observe, what is the under root? 1 minus x square. Here minus x square is there. What you have to do? Plus 1 minus 1. Simply plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. So here under step x square by 2 cos inverse x. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus x square minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So separate these two. X square by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. Next minus minus plus 1 by 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So here each and every term is in terms of, okay. You see here cos inverse x is there. So here x, suppose a by root a. A by root a means root a into root a by root a. So root a get cancelled is equal to root a. In the same way 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x square. That means here x square by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. Here clearly 1 by 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Okay. Here root of a square minus x square. Here root of a square minus x square formula is minus 1 by 2 into, okay, a square by 2. Here is the formula for you. Root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square dx. Integral of is equal to a square by 2 sin inverse, okay, sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square. Here root of a square minus x square dx is equal to a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 root of a square minus x square. I have to give the derivation for this one. 3 problems. Root of a square minus x square and root of a square plus x square and root of x square minus a square. For the 3 problems I have to give the full information for you. Here root of a, in place of a 1 is there, a square by 2, that means 1 by 2 sin inverse x by 1, okay, plus x by 2 into root of a square, that means 1 minus x square. That's it. Next, plus 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 sin inverse x, okay. Now finally you see here minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2. You see minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So LCM has 4. So minus 1 plus 2 gives us 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4. So finally here is the result, x square by 2 cos inverse x, here minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 sin inverse x gives us minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x and plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x. So take my sin inverse x is common, we will get minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 gives us 1 by 4. So finally plus 1 by 4 sin inverse x, okay. Here final one is minus 1 by 2 into x by 2 gives us minus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square. So this is the result for this one, x into cos inverse x, okay. Similar problem, same one, x into sin inverse x, same detail, there is no change in this one, okay. For x into sin inverse x also same, sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square, only plus and minus is the change, okay, right. Next one, fifth one, x square sin inverse x square sin inverse x square sin inverse x. Fifth question, x square sin inverse x. Fifth question, integral x square sin inverse x square sin inverse x. So let I is equal x square sin inverse x dx, okay. This you can rewrite first function sin inverse x into x square dx, okay, sin inverse x, okay. So here f of x is equal sin inverse x. So f dash x sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square, okay. Next, g of x is equal to x square. So integral this value, integral of g of x dx is equal integral x square dx is equal x cube by 3. For the x square, integral value is x cube by 3, okay. Next, the formula, integral of f of x g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into integral of second function, okay, totally with respect to x, okay. So therefore I is equal, here is the first function sin inverse x, f of x, sin inverse x. For this one, integral value x cube by 3, okay, minus derivative of this one 1 by root of 1 minus x square, next into integral value x cube by 3, okay. So here x cube by 3, x cube by 3 sin inverse x minus 1 by 3 into, here x square is there, so x cube you can rewrite x into x square. X cube you can rewrite x into x square, okay, dx, okay. Here you see 1 minus x square is there, only x square is there. So you see here only x square is there, but under denominator, under root, 1 minus x square is there. So what you have to do, simply here you see minus of minus x square, minus of minus x square, minus of minus x square. Also here what you have to do, minus of, here 1 minus x square, here minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 under bracket, okay. There is no change. That means minus of 1 minus x square plus 1. So finally 1 minus of minus x square. So this x square you can rewrite 1 minus of minus x square, okay. So x cube by 3 sin inverse x minus 1 by 3 into x into 1 minus of minus x square, okay, by x, by root of 1 minus x square dx, okay. Now if we multiply and separate this one, what we will obtain, x cube by 3 into sin inverse x, next minus 1 by 3 into, here x into 1, x, so x by root of 1 minus x square dx, so 1 by 3 into x into 1, x by root of, again minus 1 by 3 into minus into minus plus x into, okay, plus 1 by 3 into integral x into 1 minus x square root of 1 minus x square dx, okay, okay. If you observe here f dash x by root of x, that means derivative of this one is nothing but minus 2x, but only x is there. So to evaluate means simply what you have to do, multiply and divide by 2 only. So here if you observe a by root a means root a. So here x cube by 3 sin inverse x minus 1 by 3 into, here divide by 2 and multiply with 2, okay. Why? Because here is the f dash x by root f x gives us 2 root f x, okay. Next here also plus 1 by 3 into, here also I have to multiply with 2, minus 1 by 2 into integral of minus 2x into root of 1 minus x square dx, okay. So again I have to rewrite plus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2, here also minus 2x into root of 1 minus x square dx. Why? Because here a by root a means root a, okay, under root, okay. If you observe this derivative is nothing but minus 2x, only x term is there. So to obtain minus 2x means you have to multiply with minus 2, again divide with minus 2, okay, multiply and divide with minus 2. So you see final answer, x cube by 3 sin inverse x minus 1 by 6 into 2 root f of x, f dash x by f of x, f dash x by f of x gives us 2 root f of x, okay. Next minus 1 by 6 into here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. Okay. Here which formula we have to use? Here two formulas. First one is f dash x by root f of x. Integral f dash x by root f of x gives us 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x. Okay. And second one is here, and second one is f dash x into root f of x. F dash x into root f of x. F dash x into root f of x dx. Same formula, similar formula for root x. Root x integral 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. In the same way, this one is 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2. So these two formulas, okay, we have to use in this one. So here f of x and this derivative. So f dash x into root f of x gives us 2 by 3 f of x whole power 3 by 2. So in the same way 2 by 3 f of x whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So final one is here 2 3's get cancelled. 2 3's get cancelled. Here also 3 cancelled. So final one is here. Final answer is I is equal x cube by 3. X cube by 3 sin inverse x. Next minus 1 by 3 into root of 1 minus x square. Next here minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. This is the final result for this question. So better to practice several times. Okay. Next problem is x into log of 1 plus x. X into log of 1 plus x. X into log of 1 plus x dx. Next, sixth problem, x into log 1 plus x dx. Sixth problem, integral of x into log 1 plus x dx. Okay, x into log 1 plus x dx. So, here is the two different functions. One function is logarithm function and second one is algebra function. So, which is to be considered as first one? Logarithm function. Okay, so let I is equal integral of x into log 1 plus x dx. Okay, but the first function is log, so you have to rewrite log of 1 plus x into x dx. Okay, so here f of x is equal log 1 plus x. So f dash x is equal 1 by 1 plus x. For log x derivative 1 by x. Okay, log 1 plus x derivative 1 by 1 plus x. Next, g of x is equal to x. So integral of g of x dx is equal to x dx. Integral of x is x square by 2. Okay. Now here is the formula. Here is the formula. Integral of f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x into integral of g of x dx minus derivative of first function into integral of second function. Integral of second function. Okay? Okay? So, therefore, I is equal first function log 1 plus x, second function integral x square by integral value. Okay? Next, derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, here x square by 2. Okay, so here x square by 2 log 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into x square by here 1 by 1 plus x is there only. Okay, here derivative is 1 by 1 plus x. So x square by 1 plus x dx. Just divide x square with 1 plus x. Okay. So to make x square means just you have to multiply with x. X into x. X square. X into 1. X. Okay. So cancel. So finally minus x. Again same degree. Always degree should be less. Okay. So always you should write minus 1. Okay. So minus x and minus 1. Separate this one. Subtract. So we have to obtain 1. So here x square by 1 plus x gives us x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Here this is the simplification. Okay. So x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into for x square by finally x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 dx. That's one. Okay. So final one is here x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 into here x integral value x square by 2 minus 1 value minus 1 integral minus x, and here this is nothing but log of x plus 1. Okay, this is the result. Here you have to multiply with 1 by 2. So final one is here x square by 2 log of 1 plus x. Okay, log of 1 plus x. Next minus x square by 4. Okay, next plus x by 2. Okay, plus x by 2. Next minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x. So plus c. Okay, this is the final solution for this equation. Okay, here if you observe this one, final one is here minus x square by 4 minus x square by 4 plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x plus c. Or I have to write here the same one because shadow will be appear. So due to that reason again I have to rewrite these two steps here. Here x square by 2 into log of 1 plus x, same step, minus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus x plus log of x plus 1. Okay, same I have to multiply x square by 2 log of 1 plus x minus x square by 4. Okay, x square by 4 plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x plus c. So these two steps here I have to mention again. Okay, due to shadow. Okay, no problem regarding this one. Okay, here is the result for you. Again I have to rewrite these two steps here. Okay, if you are unable to clearly, you have to write here these two steps. I have to rewrite in the top of this corner. Okay, next. Next one. Next problem. Sine of root x. Sine of root x. Already in the previous one, Roman number 2, cos of root x. Cos of root x problem already I have to give the solution for you. Same model, sin of root x. Or else I have to give the solution for the next part 12. Okay, in part 12 I have to give the complete solutions for the remaining problems 7 to 13. 7 to 13. Okay, already 8th and 9th. In part 11, 8th problem, 9th problem will be given already. So only 7, next to 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and also the derivations for root of a square minus x square, root of x square minus a square, root of a square plus x square. These three will also be given for you. Okay, so I think you may like this video. If you really like this one, just make one like for me. And also, yet now, if anyone may not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it immediately. Also, click on bell icon. Okay, and also, if it is very useful for the students of your well-wishers and neighbors, please share it now. And also make or comment your artful comments in our comment box. Okay, thank you once again.